Hi everyone, welcome to the course. Today we will be learning conditional rendering with the help of ternary operator and logical operator. Okay, which is our and logical operator. Now, when do we use this conditional rendering? Whenever we want something to show or hide based upon the condition, at that time we use conditional rendering. Let's take an example. If user is logged in, you want to show a message that user is logged in. If user is not logged in, so you want to show the message please log in. So same thing we are going to do over here. For that I have this h1, okay, and this div is there which is having one id output which will print our output, right? So let's start with it. What I am going to do over here first is I have to let's create let is logged in. Okay, initially we are going to keep it true. So if user is logged in, no, it is suggesting me if and else. We are not going to use if and else. First of all, what I'm going to do is let our output is equals to document dot get element by id output, because we know that this output will help me print out my output. So what I will say is logged in and what I want is output dot inner html equals to, I want paragraph p, let's suppose no p, we'll take h2. Okay, user is logged in. Okay, so now what we are doing is we are saying that let's suppose that the user is logged in. So if user is logged in, and this and means that it will execute both the things. If it is true, is logged in means true or false it is going to be. So if it is true, it is going to display this message also. Let's see, user is logged in because it is true. Let's make it false. So it will not print anything because we are not printing anything else. If it is true, then only it is going to print. And let's say if I did the opposite thing, let's put this over here and user is not logged in. Let's see, user is not logged in. It is false. That means and operator. It is if it is false. False means this condition becomes true. So it will execute this statement. And if you will write true over here, the first statement will get executed. Okay. So I hope you are understanding this. Now, there is one more way to handle it with the ternary operator. So how ternary will work? Let's see. For that case, I want is logged in. Okay, then output dot inner html will be your h3, or let's put in paragraph, welcome back user. And this particular thing you put it because if your this condition gets false, this will get executed. If this condition is true, your this statement gets executed. If it is false, this statement gets executed. Okay, so remember, this is for your true case and this is for your false case. Okay, so there are two things, either it is true or false. So let's see what you will say. Welcome back user, that means user is logged in, and if I will make it false, this will get print. Please log into Conditional. So this is how your conditional rendering and ternary operator works. I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you so much, everyone.